stages of grieving have been really particular to like one big grief, which is relating to my brother. But I have observed it, and I have found that what's very interesting is that there is definitely this idea of, I think, linearity and circularity, which I sort of am interested in anyway, in terms of how we kind of in Western culture tend to sort of see grieving. And I've read a lot of bereavement literature, and none of it, apart from maybe two books which I'll mention. One of it is by Diane, which is a wonderful book about the death of her husband, and then another book by Denise Riley, which is about the death of her son, which talk differently about the progress of grief. But I think that there seems to be a much more circular way of dealing with grief, I think, in South Asian communities. I think there's a willingness to sort of see it as a not so much a trajectory or kind of a process. Although you process there's a body that's being processed. I think that in terms of talking about the dead, it is very, very different in terms of how we don't close it off as much, I think.
Yeah.